Yes, and welcome back to another episode with me, Luke. So I apologise yesterday, I couldn't get a video out in time. I was quite busy with work and other things, but anyway, I'm here today. It's the 7th of February to talk about Bitcoin and some questions, specifically one question that was raised in the comment section below. So again, thanks to those that comment, leave a thumbs up. If you don't do that or you haven't done that, please, it would be great for the algorithm if you can leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, speak about this channel, get the algorithm. It's not just for me, but it's the algorithm for other crypto YouTubers, especially in this year of 2024 and going into 2025. It's going to be a very special year to 18 months or so in crypto. So if you think the last year was good in terms of the accumulation phase, then that's nothing in comparison with what we're going to see this year. So I'm going to dive right into the charts in just a second. If you've been following me, you've noticed this bullish pennant pattern on the weekly that I spoke about, and the price target for this is around the 60k. And then last Friday I did speak about a crazy theory of a potential cup and handle pattern forming again on the weekly. I don't know on the monthly if it was similar. Yeah, monthly we can also say that as well, but I mean it's just a theory. We've just formed this cup, let's say, but there's no handle formed yet. So let's see what happens over the next few weeks. Even though I've shown the bullish pennant pattern, this theory of a cup and handle pattern, I'm 100% bullish for this year. Going into the bull market for sure. Really, we've been in the bull market since December 2022 when we flipped here, and back in last year. So the accumulation phase, we've been in 170 something percent rise. So you could say this was a mini bull market in the accumulation phase. But really, going into 2024, going into 2025, for sure will be this parabolic rise after the halving, which is represented by this blue line. So having said that, I still feel at some point, I don't know when or how or what will do this, but I still feel we're going to have a giant pullback to the 30k level, which if I bring the Fibonacci from the 15,494 level to the top here on the weekly, the 0.618 level is currently at 28k, and the 0.5 level is sitting just on the support now of 31,000. So I still have this feeling that we're going to come back down to these levels. I'm not saying it's definite, it's just my theory. Again, you have to do your own research. It's just my opinion only, so please go and do your own research, look at other YouTubers in crypto as well. But I've just got this feeling that we'll come back down to those levels pre-halving. I wouldn't be surprised if it happened around the halving, but for sure after, going into middle, back end of this year, it will be off to the races, and we'll probably go smash this target of 60k and beyond up to six figures. So if we do dip, or we do have this giant pullback like I keep saying, which I don't know, it's just a gut feeling that we're going to come back down here, then obviously this bullish pennant pattern is a load of rubbish, and we can get rid of that. So yeah, you need to do, again, you do your own research, look at other crypto YouTubers, and the best thing right now is just a dollar cost average as we wait. Any price point before that blue line, before the all-time high, is a fantastic buy for Bitcoin. Even though it's 43 grand, it's a perfect buying opportunity, not just in Bitcoin but in other crypto assets if you're dollar cost averaging, which is probably the safest thing to do. Whether we go up or down, you just keep adding to your bags. So just jumping into the lower time frames, I am seeing a small, if I can say that, a head. We've got the head here. We'll just get rid of that. So we've got the shoulder, another shoulder, and we've got this head here forming, So usually what we do is we go from the neckline, which is, let's just say, for sake of argument, and then we take this trend line, go from the bottom to here. So if you're trading this on the lower time frame, what's interesting is this would hit our last of around 48k if we do break this now resistance, which could flip into support over the next few days. So don't be surprised by the end of this week or into next week we do come. I mean, this is potential. Yeah, you see, it's not the best shoulder, but it is on the technicals a small head and shoulders if you're day trading or weekly trading, day trading I should say, on this. Then you just have to watch the market quite carefully and get in when we see sufficient amount of volume. So if we break past, let's say, the 43k, about the $44,000 level with sufficient volume, so that will be around these levels here. Okay, we get past here, you could put a trade in. Let me get a long position. We want to get past that. We want to get, yeah, I mean the neckline is here. It's not the best neckline, but maybe the 43,500, anywhere between there to the 44k. If you want to put your long position in around here, what might make sense is waiting, because we've got not just the trend line of the neck here. It's not the best picture, but we also have this bullish pennant. So maybe just wait for the breakout of the bullish pennant after the trend line getting around the 44k, like I've just said, and then you put your stop loss at 1%. Okay. And if this thing does reach all the way up, that is a 9-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I mean, it's yeah, I won't be trading this, but it's just interesting to see. We do have this head and shoulders pattern, this inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish thing. So on the smaller time frames, we do have this. So if you're day trading, just watch this carefully, watch for the volume, watch for the breakout above maybe this bullish pennant pattern that I've seen around the $44,000 level. Then you can get in, make sure you have a type stop loss just in case it reverses back on us. So that's pretty much it for the technicals. Apologize for all the lines. We'll just get rid of them. And that's it. So let's just go back to this, back to the daily. And there we go. Back to the weekly, let's say. Okay. Yeah, so you've seen, yeah, we've got that inverse head and shoulders. We've also got this bullish pennant pattern. So just wait for that breakout if you're going. That's the thing with trading. You don't do it based on emotion. You have to be reactive as fast as possible when you see a breakout. React. That's what trading is all about. So you want to have that reflex of reacting to the market instead of chasing the market and getting in. So when you see that breakout, that sufficient volume, you react to it, and that's how you make good trades. And that's what I did last year with these trades back in, I think it was March, February time, around here. No, it was this one. It was this trade here that I got in. I got into this one, and I missed this one. So I got the first two. I reacted to the market, got in for the pump. I had a trailing stop loss, which stomped me out. I remember that it was like a Wednesday night, and then I got into this one as well. So this was just two small pumps, really, in when you look at the grand scheme of things. But congratulations if you got this pump, which I spoke about months ago, or back in October. Back I think it was all the way back in the 9th of October or something. So yeah, good job if you got in then, because you'd be up quite a lot of percent. So that's pretty much it for the the Bitcoin analysis here, the TA, on the lower time frames, on the weekly. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. So somebody did ask me, what exchanges do I use in order to buy different crypto projects, maybe in gaming. I wasn't sure if you asked me in gaming or if it was just in general, what exchanges do I use. So there's many, like Coinbase, Binance, the top two, of course. There are others which I use. If I just go on, click on Chainlink, I do have Bybit, I have KuCoin, I also have OKX as well. Now, for some of these smaller low cap coins, you might not find them on Binance, on Coinbase, etc. But you can find them. You just have to click on the coin, have a look at the exchange where they're from, where you can buy it from, and that's it. So some of these coins you need MetaMask for, and you go through Uniswap, PancakeSwap, etc. to get the coins if they're a lower cap coin, or you can even do it on directly on the website. So for me, I have like 5 or 6 different accounts. One I've just signed up to is the MEXC. I think it's fairly recent that they've just come out, because you can buy certain crypto gaming tokens that you can't find anywhere else. So I'm using MEXC. Bybit I was using, but I can't use it anymore in France. So I'm using MEXC at the moment while it's allowed in this country to buy some crypto gaming tokens. So if you have any other questions about that, yeah, you just have to click on the coin itself on Crypto Bubbles. You can get that information here, where you can, which exchanges you can find on CoinMarketCap. Again, you just click on the coin, you scroll down, and you will see exactly the exchanges. I think I've gone too far. There we go. So this one, yeah, the exchange. So you've got all this list here where you can find Immutable X, and I mean Immutable X is a top project with, I mean, it's quite popular as well, so it's of course on Binance, Coinbase, etc. So some of these lower market cap coins are a bit more difficult. So you'd have to go through things like Uniswap, PancakeSwap, using MetaMask, etc. to buy, or some of these new exchanges. Just be careful with the new exchanges. Of course, I don't trust 100% any exchange. It's better to have them on cold storage if possible. But if you do go for an exchange, maybe go for multiple exchanges, diversify so you don't have all your eggs in one basket. So that's pretty much it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Again, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be with you again maybe tomorrow or Friday for more TA on Bitcoin. Expect big things to happen very soon in the Bitcoin price for sure, and I'll also be looking at other crypto assets in crypto gaming and AI. So if there's anything you want me to check out, leave your comments in the comment section below, and I will see you all next time. Have a great evening, guys and girls, wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video.